Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to easily work and edit with photos. Let's say you want to crop somebody out of a photo to either put into another photo, or maybe you're just not happy with somebody that's in your photo and you want to remove a person or an object. I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily do that. My photo I have on my desktop. You would go on your computer to wherever you stored your photo, whether it's under photos or downloads. You want to right click on your photo in Windows, which will bring up a menu, and you want to choose to edit with Paint 3D. Once the photo appears, for the purpose of this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop out the person out of this photo. Maybe she doesn't like the way she looks, but we still like the photo in the background. So what we're going to do is you want to go up, you want to scroll your mouse up to where it says Magic Select up here and choose Magic Select. The next thing you want to do, you'll see now the photo itself is highlighted. We want to crop to the area closest to the picture that we're going to work with. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to bring in, let's keep her in the photo. I'm going to bring in, so I just have her highlighted. Then I'm going to scroll over to the right and I'm going to choose next. You'll see Magic Photo actually did a really good job of finding her and picking her. There's only a couple of areas that I actually need to change. Now you'll notice over here on the right, if I want to add to the photo or remove from the photo, that is what I would highlight. For the purpose of this, I'm going to add. Up here, you can zoom in a bit on the photo. So I'm going to zoom in on her. And let's take a quick look. I'm actually going to change this to remove. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to choose remove because there's a couple small pieces that need to get removed. For the purpose of this, I'm going to draw a line here and you'll see it just remove that piece of it. I'm also going to remove this little piece here. So you draw a line. So basically you take your mouse and you draw a line and that will allow you to remove the piece. We also want to remove this little piece here. So I'm going to take my mouse, I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, and I'm going to draw a line around the area that I want to remove. And it does a pretty good job of removing it. If it happens to remove too much, let's say I accidentally removed this piece. If you go up top, you can undo it. You just choose undo right up here. That will allow you to undo it. I'm going to zoom this back out. And I think that looks pretty good. So that's what I want to do. I want to take her out of the picture. This should pretty much do what I want it to do. Now you have two choices. You can auto, on the right side where it says autofill background. If I uncheck that, you're going to get a white box where I remove her. But if I leave autofill background, it will actually try and fill in the picture for me, that's what I want for the purpose of this. So I'm going to leave that checked and I'm going to choose done. Now you'll see I can actually move her around because she's no longer stuck in the picture. So I'm actually taking my left mouse and I'm moving her around. So what I want to do now is I actually want to take her out of the picture because I want the picture. I just don't want her in it. So I'm going to right click with my mouse button and I'm going to choose to cut. So now that I've cut her out of the picture, I have everything I want and she's no longer there. So it's that easy to get rid of somebody in a picture, and you see it auto-filled the background for me. Now, I could actually use her somewhere else. So for the purpose of this demonstration, the first thing I want to do is let me go to menu, and I just want to choose on the right side. So I go up to menu on the left. I just want to choose save as, and I'm going to save the image as with a new name. This way I still have the original picture. I never like to overwrite original pictures. So that just saved the picture. So now I have that. So it's really that simple to remove somebody. If you want to take somebody out of a picture, that's really all you need to do. Or if you want to remove an object, maybe you like the person, but there's somebody behind you. If you've ever taken a picture on the beach and all of a sudden you see that there's a person there later that you don't want, it's that easy to get rid of them and still have the picture. Anyway, I hope this demo was helpful. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.